Make amazing AI videos fast. Pictory versus InVideo versus HeyGen, full breakdown. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Caliverse AI, your go-to spot for the latest AI tools and tutorials. I'm Caliverse AI, and today we're jumping into the world of AI video creation. If you've been looking to make high-quality videos without spending forever editing or shelling out on pricey software, you're in the right place. We're checking out 3 standout AI video platforms: Pictory, InVideo, and HeyGen. I'll walk you through how each one works, their pricing, and the free trials you can try out right now. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your style and budget best. Let's start with Pictory AI. This tool is a real game changer for turning text into videos. All you have to do is paste your blog, article, or script, and Pictory automatically builds a full video using relevant start clips, background tunes, and AI voiceovers. It's super straightforward. You add your text, pick from a huge library of over 3 million stock videos and images. Choose your favorite voice from more than 50 AI voices in multiple languages, and just like that, your video is done. What makes Pictory stand out is its smart features like automatic scene detection, text summarizing, and the ability to whip up videos from long content in just minutes. It's perfect for bloggers, marketers, or teachers wanting to turn their written stuff into engaging videos. Free trial, 3 video credits, no credit card needed. Starter plan, $19 a month for 30 videos and 0.10 GB storage. Professional plan, $39 a month for 60 videos and 100 GB storage. Teams plan, $99 a month for 90 videos and 300 GB storage. The free trial is solid. You get 3 full videos to really test it out. Moving on to InVideo AI. This one works a bit differently. It's great for making videos from short text prompts with a powerful AI workflow. What's cool about InVideo is its huge template collection, over 5,000 professionally designed templates covering pretty much every niche. Here's how it works. You type something like, make a 60-second video about sustainable living tips, and InVideo's AI picks the best templates, grabs matching stock footage, adds transitions, and can even whip up a script if you want. You get tons of customization too. You can swap clips, change colors, tweak timing, add your logos and branding. The AI even gives suggestions based on what you're making and who you're targeting. InVideo is awesome for businesses or creators who want their videos to have a consistent look. Their brand kit feature helps keep everything on point visually. Free plan, 60 videos per month, but with a watermark. Plus plan, $15 a month for 60 videos, no watermark, 10 GB storage. Max plan, $30 a month for 120 videos, if you want. I can continue with HeyGen or help you decide which. Section 3. HeyGen AI. Now, HeyGen is where things get really futuristic. This platform specializes in AI avatar videos. Think digital humans that can speak your script with realistic lip syncing and natural gestures. It's like having a virtual spokesperson for your brand. The process is mind-blowing. You choose from over 100 diverse AI avatars, different ethnicities, ages, and styles. Input your script, select a voice that matches your avatar, and HeyGen creates a video with a realistic person delivering your message. The lip syncing is incredibly accurate, and the avatars look genuinely human. You can even upload your own footage to create a custom avatar that looks like you or your spokesperson. The voices are natural sounding with proper intonation and emotion. HeyGen supports over 40 languages and accents, making it perfect for global brands and international content creators. The custom avatar feature is a game changer for personal branding. Free plan, *** 1 minute of video credit monthly. Light plan, *** $29 a month, minus 15 minutes of video credit. Pro plan, *** $89 a month to 90 minutes of video credit. Enterprise, custom pricing for high volume needs. The free plan gives you 1 minute monthly, enough to create several short videos for testing, comparison, and recommendations. So which platform should you choose? Here's my honest breakdown. You're a blogger, educator, or content marketer who wants to repurpose written content into videos quickly. It's the most cost-effective for high-volume content creation. You need professional-looking videos with extensive customization options and branding consistency. It's perfect for businesses and social media managers. Asterisk choose HeyGen if you want cutting-edge AI avatar technology for presentations, explainer videos, or when you need a human spokesperson without hiring actors. Quick comparison chart. For beginners, I recommend starting with InVideo's free plan to get comfortable with the iVideo creation. Content creators should try Pictory's free trial, and anyone interested in avatar technology must experience HeyGen. Here's your action plan. Try all 3 free trials this week. Create one video with each platform using the same content to see which workflow feels most natural for you. If this video helped you understand AI video creation better, smash that like button and subscribe to Caliverse AI for more AI tool comparisons and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Drop a comment below telling me which platform you're most excited to try, or share your experience if you've already used any of these tools.